The brand sent me this puzzle and we love puzzles in this house. So I was so excited to partner up with DaVinci's room on this one. This isn't your typical 1,000 piece puzzle. What you see on the box is not what you're making. As odd as that may sound, this twist makes this puzzle intriguing to put together and really works your brain. The image on the box is the same place as the puzzle you're making, but the puzzle you're making is a different time of day than the actual puzzle on the box. This particular puzzle is the perfect party one, and it's about day and night. So in the daytime, this is what the town looks like, but what you're going to be making with the puzzle is what the town looks like at night. The puzzle pieces are smaller, and it is 1,000 pieces, so the recommended age is 14 plus. You get 2 sheets of the day image. I think that's because there's likely more than one person putting the puzzle together. I've started working on this puzzle and I'm not nearly done, but I am enjoying putting this together. Once you're done making the puzzle, there are a list of things to search and find. This is a great time to bring in your younger kids and see if you can do some search and find together, which is what I'll do once this is all put together. Overall, I just love the idea of mixing things up the way the brand did with this puzzle. This is such a great gift idea as well.